Dry rub, spice up your English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a flavorful topic in English, especially when talking about food. Have you ever heard of the term, dry rub? If you're curious about what it means, stick around as we break it down for you. A dry rub is a mixture of dried herbs and spices that is rubbed onto the surface of meat, poultry, or fish before cooking. Unlike marinades, which are liquid, a dry rub is, as the name suggests, dry. It's used to season and add flavor to the food. You might come across this term in recipes, especially those related to grilling or barbecuing. The name, dry rub, is quite descriptive. The word, dry, indicates that there are no wet ingredients involved, and the term, rub, suggests the action you do with it. You literally rub the mixture onto the meat to ensure the flavors penetrate and coat the surface. While there are countless variations of dry rubs depending on the recipe or regional preference, some common ingredients you might find include salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, chili powder. Some people also add sugar for a hint of sweetness or other herbs and spices for a unique flavor profile. To help you understand better, here are some sample sentences using dry rub. 1. I prefer using a dry rub on my steak for a smoky flavor. 2. The chicken was seasoned with a spicy dry rub before grilling. 3. Can you recommend a good dry rub for fish? There you have it. Now you know what a dry rub is and how to use it in a sentence. English, like cooking, is full of rich and varied flavors. We hope this video has added a bit more spice to your language learning journey. Until next time, happy learning!